This video will show you how to connect a drone to DJI Delivery Hub. Operations on remote controller. Make sure the drone is properly connected to the remote controller. On DJI Pilot 2 of the remote controller, tap the Cloud Services icon on the home screen. On the Cloud Services screen, tap Delivery Hub. Tap the Delivery Hub icon to switch teams. The first time you use the drone, you need to bind the drone to DJI Delivery Hub. After the drone is connected to DJI Delivery Hub, you can upload local flight routes to your team's flight route library in DJI Delivery Hub. You can also download your team's flight routes and markers to the remote controller's flight route library. Operations on DJI Delivery Hub. Go to the task list on DJI Delivery Hub. Click New Task. Click the flight route icon. Select a planned flight route. Select a drone. Check the status of the drone. If an orange bar with a text warning is displayed and keeps flickering, click the alert to view details and contact the on-site operators. You can proceed only after troubleshooting is complete. Click OK. Click OK. Now, you have created a task. If everything is ready, click the Confirm Takeoff icon. The system will perform an auto check. It will check the weather conditions, drone status, power level of the remote controller and drone, and other conditions that may affect the task execution. After the auto check is completed, select I confirm. If this is the first takeoff of the drone, DJI Delivery Hub needs to get access to the remote controller at the takeoff point. Tap OK in the pop-up window to complete authorization. In the task monitoring window, you can view the task progress, drone operating status, flight route, and trajectory. Click to open a small window, which displays key information about the drone. Click FPV to enter the FPV view of the drone. Meanwhile, the pilot at the takeoff point can check the connection status via the app home screen or the Cloud Services icon in the camera view. If the Cloud Services icon on the home screen indicates no connection or the Cloud Service icon in the camera view appears grayed out, the drone is disconnected from DJI Delivery Hub. You need to check the network status of the remote controller to ensure proper communication between the drone and DJI Delivery Hub.